Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a chicken curry. It's completely different to a traditional chicken curry, to a British Indian restaurant chicken curry, but it still goes well, and it's a very simple curry to have. Great to start with. So we're going to first get some oil. I think like 1.5 to 2 tablespoons is enough. Right. And then a little bit of garlic ginger paste, which I've shown you how to cook. I think half a teaspoon is alright, just a little bit, and that's probably more teaspoon. I've shown you how to make a garlic ginger paste, so I'll put the info card up there for you to see. You can buy it, but it's obviously a little bit better if you make it yourself. So when it starts to go a little bit red, we then grab some tomato puree, which I've shown you how to make. Just sort of a 1.5 spoonful. Mixing that together. Then your pre-cooked chicken. I've shown you exactly how to make this. Again, the info card will be up. I'm putting four pieces, sort of like a half portion, as it's a demo. Quite a powerful cooker, so it's sizzling up very well. Then you want to get our desi style spice. It's got the main flavour, about a teaspoon. And then you want to mix this in now. So the spice is really mixing in with the chicken. So when you bite it, you'll get this nice flavour, really. And then you've got your base gravy. It's quite a saucy curry, so you want to put quite a bit of sauce in there. For half a portion restaurant size, I'll put about 5. That's probably about 5. I might need a little bit more here, because it's a saucy curry and it was drying up quite quick, so the sauce will dry up. I mean, you can put the gas down and let it cook a little bit. So it's going to cook now. While it's cooking, just want to say, subscribe, comment, like my videos. Ask me for any requests or anything. And again, just thanking my sponsors here. So the University of Portsmouth, TCL Global, Biscoes and Whitetown, just to say thank you. Without them, we couldn't make these videos. Then you have a little bit of coriander. You just want to add a bit of coriander on there. That's quite shiny. If you see, it's quite shiny. If it looks quite flat and not shiny, just add a touch of oil. The oil would then make it a little bit shiny. It just gives a sheen, gives it a more better look to the curry. I'm not going to add any more because there's quite a lot of oil. It's got a good sheen, and I added a little bit more oil than I probably normally would do, because it's a half portion. I think I'm used to putting a full portion. So again, if you want to be safe with the chicken, put a probe in. Make sure it's about 75 degrees. But I don't need to. I kind of know when it's cooked. So when it does cook, the spices will make the curry a little bit darker. So you can, when it's gone a bit darker and it's bubbling like this, you kind of know it's cooked. So the spices will infuse in, and the whole dish will get slightly darker. So that's pretty much ready to go. Again, this is half a portion, and you want a nice thickness. To achieve thickness for a curry, you need to keep it cooking on the gas. That will get it thicker, and otherwise it'll be too watery. Some people like a little bit more runny. I personally like a little bit thicker. And for a little bit of decor, just sprinkle a little bit of coriander on the top of it. Just gives it a little bit different colour. So you always want to think about height, colour. You taste with your eyes food. If it looks good, it's going to taste good. So a very simple British Indian restaurant chicken curry.